My dear students, I want to start class 12th mathematics chapter matrices. So definition of matrices is a matrix is an array of real numbers and functions arranged in rows and columns. Such an array is enclosed by this and this bracket. The numbers or functions are called the elements. A matrix is represented by a single capital letters A, B, X, Y, Z. Means matrix means arrange the numbers in table. So if numbers are given, so we have arranged the numbers in this table. So numbers arranged in this table. So this is matrix. That is, this is row. Vertical values and horizontal values. So this is horizontal values 1, 2. So this is R1. This is R2. First row, second row. 1, 2, 3. This is C1, C2, C3. So 2 row and 3 columns. So 2 row and 3 columns. So that is the order of matrix. Means number of row and number of column. That is the order of matrix. Next, total number of elements. So that is order is given that 2 multiplies 3. So you will multiply 2 3 is 6. So number of elements is 6. Next point is if the total elements are given, then order. If total elements are given, 12, then order, possible order, what can be? 1 multiply 12, 12 multiply 1, 4 multiply 3, 3 multiply 4, 6 multiply 2, 2 multiply 6. So this is possible order. Means you will factorize and then you will make the pairs. Next is equality of matrices. If two matrices are given, if this is given x, y, z, 10, 5, 2, minus 5, 10. So if two matrices are equal, then always order is same. Means number of row and number of columns are same. Then always corresponding elements are equal. It means x equal 5, y equal 2, z equal minus 5. First element equal first, second element is equal to second, third is equal to third. Next is formation of matrix. If we want to find a matrix, we want to make one new matrix. So some conditions are given. If Aij equal I plus j and order 2 by 3. So first you will write 2 order and 3 columns. 2 row, so first row, first element, first row, second element, first row, third element, second row, first element, second row, second element, second row, third elements. So first we will find the value of A11. A11 means this is I, this is J. So what is given condition? I plus J, add. So A11, 1 plus 1, 2, A12, 1 plus 2, 3. This way you will find the values and put these values A11, A12, A13, A21. This is. So this is the matrix. Formation of the matrix. If some conditions are given, then how you can make the one matrix. Next point is square matrix. If number of row and number of columns are same. If one matrix we are making, this is 2, 4, minus 1, 2. So number of row and columns are same. 2 row and 2 columns. So that is square matrix. Thank you.